Okay, our next stop in our timeline is 1952 with the research partners here of Hershey and Chase. So this is commonly known as the Hershey and Chase experiment. So we have in the picture here Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. And in their experiment, what they were attempting to do is to prove that DNA is the genetic material. And what they were testing DNA against is they were testing DNA against protein. And what we have here is a very sophisticated looking experiment using a blender. But basically what they did, instead of using mice and a pathogen that causes pneumonia, they are using bacteria and viruses. And they're using a particular type of virus called a bacteriophage. And this bacteriophage only infects bacteria. Now, viruses are specific to what they infect. So, this T4 bacteriophage, which kind of looks like an alien or an alien spaceship, it's not anything that we have to worry about. It's only a virus of bacteria. So, what they did is they injected this radioactive material into the virus. So, in part of the experiment, they injected the radioactive material in the DNA of the virus. In the other experiment, they injected the radioactive material in the protein capsule, which is called a capsid of the virus. And then they allowed the virus to inject its DNA into the E. coli. And just like with any other organism, once the DNA is inside of the bacteria can't distinguish between its own DNA from the foreign viral DNA, and it starts following the instructions of the viral DNA and making copies of the virus inside of it. And so what they did is they used this blender to then basically centrifuge. Now today we would use something called a centrifuge, but to mix and spin the bacterial and new viral particles, and it separates them based upon weight. That's what spinning does. And when they were finished with this process, they had found that the only time that this radioactive material had been passed into the bacteria from the virus was through the DNA, not through the protein part of the bacteria. So this was further confirmation that DNA is the genetic material and not protein.